What's up, guys? Today we have this 2016 Chevy Cruze, and on the way over here my brake pedal got really hard and it was very difficult to stop. Let's check it out. I turn this on and I get this message that says service brake assist. Alright, so what we need to do now is we need to check the vacuum on this vehicle. First of all, these vehicles are operated on their vacuum when it comes to the brake. This is how you open the hood. It says ×2. You pull this twice. Alright, so let's go check it out. So the vacuum pump is located right here. You see this thing right here? This is your vacuum pump and it's connected to your crankshaft. So the first thing we need to do is we need to remove this line right here, which is your vacuum hose line. Alright, let's do that. And then let's turn the car on and make sure that there's vacuum there. Here we go. Once you remove that vacuum line, we're gonna start the car real quick and see if there's vacuum. Now with the car running, there should be a suction here. I don't feel anything. No suction at all. So I think this might be our problem. We're gonna remove this cover right here and find out what's going on in there. Here we go. So we have another Chevy Cruze here. Hope we can hear this. Listen to that. See that? There's that suction right there. Yeah, definitely our vacuum pump is bad on the other one. This is a good vacuum pump. Alright? So we're gonna try to see what we can do and open that vacuum pump up, find out what's going on. Alright, so right now we're going to remove this cover right here and we're going to remove this intake hose right here. So we got our T30. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Let's see, zoom in. Perfect, T30. And we're going to undo this right here. Alright. Put this somewhere where you won't lose it. I'll put it right here. And then we're going to take off the cap. Okay, put the cap right here. And then pick this up. And that's how you remove this cover. Okay. Let's put it to the side. Now let's remove that hose right there. We're gonna get a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna stick it in here. All right, and then use this for leverage and pull it out like that. And now it should be able to just pop up. I may need to take this foam pad off. There we go. Now that should give me a little more room to access it. Just pull this off like that, like so, and then let it snap back again. Then we gotta take off this bracket that's right here. Let me see if you can see it from here. You can't. Well, this right here, down here, is a little 10mm or 13mm, I'm not sure yet. So let me take that off so we can loosen up this hose. All right, so what I had to do is, here you see a little bit wet. I had to remove this hose right here out of the way and remove this hose out of the way so we can have some room to move this hose around without it affecting us. All right, now this is the clamp that I'm talking about. Down here, there's a little nut or bolt that thinks it's 10mm. You take that off, we should be able to move this out of the way. So here we go. Okay, so with that bracket removed and the hose out of the way, we have a clear shot at our vacuum pump right here. So let's take these out and see how damaged it is inside, and let's see what we're looking at. All right, so for this vacuum pump, it's gonna be a T27. I don't know if you can see that. It's a T27. Loosen this up. And then we take all those 5 bolts around and we'll take the plate off. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so here's the moment of truth with everything taken off. Ooh, look at that. That right there is a mess. So that confirms that we have a bad vacuum pump and we do need a vacuum pump. All right, so let me go ahead and look it up, price it out, and get a new vacuum pump right now. All right, so to remove this vacuum pump, you're gonna need 3 13mm screws. They go 1, 2, and 3 right there. It sits right there. And when you take them off, it just should come off just like that. Now we're gonna get the replacement part. It's just like it. All right. and we're gonna put it back in. Here we go. There we go. It went in like a charm. Get it started right here. The second one goes down here. Hey, let's go. What? That spare right here. All the tools. Okay. Third screw. Yeah. All right. Now all we gotta do is tighten it, send it home. Let's do this one right here. Come from under over into this one right here. Alright, then we'll do the bottom. Alright. And just like that, that is how you replace the vacuum pump on a 2016 Chevy Cruze. Oh, right. So after putting everything back in, we already tightened up the screws, which is 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. We hooked this air hose back up like that, and then we hooked the coolant hose back here, and we hooked the vacuum hose back to the brake booster. And that is how you change your vacuum pump. We're gonna start it up right now. Hopefully this solves our problems, and I'll keep you posted. Check it out. And just like that, by fixing that vacuum pump, we have fixed the brake issue. Oh yeah, it stops nice now. No more hard pedal, no more brake assist light, nothing. So now we are in business. Well, that's how you fix a hard brake pedal. That's how you fix a service brake assist system. And that's how you fix the vacuum leak on a power booster, brake booster, whatever. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and looking forward to coming up with some more videos like this. All right, hit that like and subscribe. Have a good day.